Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to use Lendingclub for debt consolidation planning. Debt consolidation with Lendingclub helps to simplify multiple high-interest debts into one structured loan. To start, all you got to do is review your current debts, note your balances, interest rates, and payment dates, and then apply for a Lendingclub personal loan that's tailored to cover these balances. If approved, you're just going to use the funds to pay off credit cards or other debts directly. This reduces the number of monthly payments that you manage and often lowers your overall interest rates. A single fixed payment can also make budgeting much easier. Be sure to compare the total cost of the loans against your current debts to confirm it's beneficial. With discipline, consolidating debts through Lendingclub can help you to pay off faster, reduce stress, and of course improve your credit profile over time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.